Each and every Wednesday night for the past 8 years, Denise interviewed doctors from Hartford Hospital. This was a unique partnership with Hartford Healthcare that has yet to be duplicated anywhere in the country. They trusted Denise to tell their story and the stories of their patients. Hartford Healthcare CEO Jeff Flax is looking back on how she helped spearhead the project to help people across Connecticut get the care they needed.
Denise was part of the Hartford Healthcare family. Countless hours spent on our campuses, meeting with our patients. She invested in each patient, each story. It meant a lot to her, and you could see it. She was somebody who cared deeply about the community. And again, I think that when I think back to all the years we've been doing this, I don't know if I've ever saw somebody connect with people quite like she did when she covered their story, and it became personal for her. You know, Denise had a passion for medical reporting, and very common when you see her in scrubs. She had real, genuine curiosity. So that's really, I think, spurred her interest, and it allowed her to tell the story.
A new segment at 5:30, we call it Medical Rounds, and this week we're talking about...
I remember the first time I met Denise. My son was getting an honor at his school, and Denise was there emceeing the event. And when I met her, I told her, I said, what an honor to meet her. But I was starstruck the first time I met her because she's somebody who I held in such high regard. She was like Henry Kissinger in Connecticut at a certain level. You felt like her voice, her presence, it mattered.
Good evening, I'm Denise D'Ascenzo.
Denise covered a story on a patient, Colby Salerno, and Colby was living in Hartford Hospital for more than 10 months, awaiting a heart transplant. In WFSB, and specifically Denise, began covering that story. And I thought the way she told that story really helped people appreciate that these patients are real heroes. What they do is miraculous, including the care team that takes care of them. And Denise had the ability, in such an empathetic way, to tell that story. And the postscript is eventually, not only did Colby Salerno get a new heart, but today he's a practicing physician. And that was her story. I grew up in Connecticut. I've spent my whole life watching Denise. In many ways, you feel like she was part of your family.
We're back here on the maternity floor at Hartford Hospital for a little more baby talk.
So I think she provided security, comfort, inspiration. At a personal level, her professionalism, her empathy. She was a remarkable, remarkable person. I'm not sure there's going to be somebody else quite like her.
Definitely not, that's for sure. She absolutely loved medical rounds each week, and she really was the doctor of the newsroom, taking care of us always.